Hadian arbnai tam ke jingsha kem ke Sonam, Raj Singh Kushwaha, Akash Rajput, Vikash Singh Chauhan, lambar Anan Kurmi, na ke jing Kdew Donkti ban Pynïap yo Raja Raghuvanshi, ki badang don mentah judicial custody, la yo jing tip ban nakal yang kita kisan ngot, kam don ke nu ke application se yeng kashari wakin yo jamin. Assistant Public Prosecutor u Advocate Tushar Chanda u balai saj persya ya kita kisan ngut haba pentip syakilat pathai kubor haka khat sautri unailar arja arpsan ulaong baka yeng kasari kala pengat judicial custody biang yaki brosan ngut na kabenta khat sausngi ula benrap baka jingtian bishar yaki hakane kasngi Kdew lingba ka video conference.
Sonam Raghuvanshi's case, their production was taken place through video conferencing. I appeared on behalf of the state and Legal Aid Council also appeared on behalf of Sonam, Raj, Anand, Vishal and Anand. So IO has forwarded the forwarding report for their further judicial custody of 14 days. So court perused the forwarding report, and after hearing the prosecution side, as I appeared from the prosecution side and the LSC appeared on behalf of all the accused, so court after hearing both the sides allowed the prayer of the IO and remanded all the accused for 14 days judicial custody. Till now there is no petition is filed on behalf of any of the accused for enlarging them on bail. No petition was filed.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya